Cases are also steadily rising in Worcester County and the city of Worcester. And two of the newest cases are members of the fire department. Ken MacLeod is in Worcester tonight, where they're also considering opening up the DCU Center as a satellite hospital.
Worcester has only 16 confirmed cases now, but officials suspect the real number is much higher and will spike as testing ramps up and the virus spreads. When that happens, the DCU Center might well play an important role.
Total 15.
At his downtown sandwich shop, Charles Dolly is struggling to preserve the paychecks of his staff, despite the empty streets around him. His normal 140 lunch customers have dwindled to 15 takeouts.
But we have to be strong, hang around, and that's the only way. Eventually, we're going to come out of it.
The wave has not quite hit.
At a nearly vacant city hall today, the city's medical chief was plain in his warning of what lies ahead. And he called President Trump's assertion of a bounce back by Easter foolhardy.
I can't quite understand how that statement is going to do anything but raise false hope.
Indeed, the Army Corps of Engineers toured the DCU Center today, looking to expand on the city's plan to use it for COVID-19 quarantine.
Possibly as more of a field hospital site, a little bit more robust.
In the shorter term, Worcester now has a firefighter with COVID-19, forcing 7 others into isolation and prompting staffing reviews at both the fire and police departments about what happens if the pandemic knocks out chunks of first responders.
It would be a very serious threat to our public safety.
Nurses here and everywhere worry about the shortage of masks, gloves, and other protective gear.
We're going to get sick, and then who's going to care for the people that really need to be cared for?
Still, nurse Courtney Morin now displays a heart on her home, as do many Worcester residents, as a show of solidarity in these challenging times.
That even though we may be socially distancing from each other, we still are connected.
The city is reaching out to hundreds of seniors by phone each day to reassure them, and still serving hundreds of meals to school kids. The city manager says he doesn't see any way those kids can return to class by April 7th. In Worcester tonight, Ken MacLeod, WBZ News.
Ken, thank you.